common sight to watch when there is a seasonal switch, isn't it? Increase in air pollution levels, smog, COVID-19 and the presence of particulate matter in the air makes it all the more troublesome to breathe free. But what really transpires during cold weather that left us all coughing and sneezing? Well, that's what we are figuring it out today. And if you think that the cold temperature is just to be blamed, then hold that thought and hear what the expert has to say.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Vipul Rustagi. I'm a consultant physician and diabetologist, Apollo Spectra Hospital, Karul. Today we're going to talk about how the winter months affect our upper respiratory tract and bringing with it a host of respiratory illnesses. It's common knowledge that winter is now upon us, and with this there is an increase in respiratory illnesses. There are a large number of factors that are responsible for this. So we'll be discussing why this happens. There is less quantity of liquids in the air, making it highly irritant for our upper respiratory tract, especially our nostrils, our oropharynx, our pharynx, and upper trachea and bronchi. So this cold and low moisture air leads to irritant action, leading to dry, irritant cough, which can be non-productive, and as a result of this, there can be also a bronchoconstriction or narrowing of the airways, which leads to further increase in problems. This is more so for people who have previously been diagnosed with asthma, COPD or other respiratory illnesses. Low temperature in the atmosphere leads to densening of the air in the lower atmosphere, and as a result, more of pollutants and irritants are in the air at a lower altitude, and this can be breathed in during the winter months.
So you see, there are so many things that target your respiratory system in one go. That's why it is always better to be prepared. After all, prevention is better than cure. And there is one neat trick that will soothe your respiratory tract ASAP without making you feel drowsy or sleepy. So guys, we present to you Humdard Joshina syrup. Humdard Joshina works on the principle of Unani, which means no side effects at all. If we talk about the ingredients, then it contains some of the best and well-known herbs that are used to protect your throat. It has mulethi, tulsi and unab, which are known to cleanse your respiratory tract by reducing cough and congestion. So let's segregate it further and see how each of these ingredients makes a difference. First, let's talk about mulethi. Basically, mulethi produces lymphocytes in the body that build a defense mechanism against pollutants and allergens that attack your respiratory system. Apart from that, it also has expectorants that helps in the conditions like whooping cough and even asthma. Then comes tulsi. Well, who doesn't know the goodness of tulsi? Do you know that tulsi has antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties? And this helps in prevention of infections of respiratory system. In fact, if you consume tulsi on regular basis, then you might prevent respiratory disorders like bronchitis and tuberculosis. And last but not the least, unab. Unab is added to boost your immunity so that you stay away from cough and cold. So all these herbs make Humdard Joshina a perfect winter fit. Just add a tablespoon of it in half a cup of lukewarm water and bid adieu to all cold and cough related problems. So guys, all these small little things and some preventive measures can make a big difference in your life. And that's why you should swear them by, because now you know why.